Hold on, guys, one sec. What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Margs Kitchen. If you're having a party for Cinco de Mayo like me, bruh, you're gonna need some cocktails, and what better than a margarita? We're gonna get this cocktail whipped up. Here's what you need to get started making your homemade margarita. We're not using store-bought simple syrup today. Just need a glass of water, a few sugar cubes. Mix them around, you got yourself some simple syrup. We build the rest of this cocktail in the shaker. Slap some ice in this bad boy. Cut up 2 limes, juicy limes, dude. Just squeeze them right in your shaker. Always remember your bar towel. Now for the good stuff, you're gonna want some 100% pure agave tequila. That's gonna set you off real nice right here. And we're gonna make this a double because, you know, we're just gonna do it. 2 shots of tequila. Now, we're making a nice cocktail, so we're not using triple sec. We're using the Cointreau, dude. The true and only orange bitter liqueur, dude. How do you think you pronounce it? It's Cointreau for sure. Cointreau is what it's called. It's all about the Cointreau, dude. We're gonna do 2 ounces of Cointreau. You know what they say? 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila. To make it extra spicy, we're gonna add just a teensy bit of blue agave nectar. Oh! All right, I spilled everywhere. Last ingredient, we're gonna do about 1 ounce of your simple syrup. Obviously, gotta salt the rims. Take your glass, one of your limes, rim the edge, and bring it around town. You got yourself a nicely rimmed glass. We're gonna shake this thing. Pour it in the glass. Garnish with the circle. Garnish with the lime. Cheers. That is real nice right there. Tastes like I'm just taking a nice vacation right in Mark's kitchen. All right, well, I'm gonna go down the rest of this Marg. Thanks again for tuning in to Mark's Kitchen. Happy Cinco de Mayo. You already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.